Play. In today's world of machines, computers are very useful to people. Trolls almost all of the machines. Play. We are now in the modern era, the world of computers, but have you ever questioned yourself what is inside the computer, how do it works, and how computer process data in less than a second?
They let us discover one of the most important part of it. Cache memory.
When we say memory, we are likely pertaining to your RAM, DRAM on your video card, or most likely your hard drive and SSDs, but another type of memory that incredible fast and essential to the speed custom to modern computers. I'm talking about your CPU cache. It's a specialized type of memory which is built into your CPU. But more on that. Let us know first what are the different characteristics of memory in the computer system.
First characteristics is the location. It determines whether the memory is internal if it is located inside the system unit. Example are the RAMs and registers, and external if it is located outside the computer. Next is the capacity. It is according to number of words and number of bytes. Another is the unit of transfer. It is whether by word or by block. Access method. It has 4 types: sequential, direct, random, and associative. Performance. It is determined through access time, cycle time, transfer rate. Physical types. It consists of semiconductor, magnetic, optical, and magneto-optical. Physical characteristics. It is whether volatile, non-volatile, and erasable, non-erasable. And lastly, organization. The memory modules. Let us also discuss the memory hierarchy. The hierarchy explain the increase of the cost, also increase the access time, and the wider capacity. The cache memory principles. There is a relatively large and slow main memory together with a smaller, faster cache memory. The cache contains a copy of portions of main memory. When the processor attempts to read a word of memory, a check is made to determine if the word is in the cache. If so, the word is delivered to the processor. If not, a block of main memory, consisting of some fixed number of words, is read into the cache, and then the word is delivered to the processor. Picks the use of multiple levels of cache. The L2 cache is slower and typically larger than the L1 cache, and the L3 cache is slower and typically larger than the L2 cache. Lastly, the read operations. The process begin with start, then the CPU will receive the RA. Is block containing RA in cache? If yes, fetch RA word and deliver to CPU, but if no, access main memory for block containing RA. Then allocate cache line for main memory block, and load main block or deliver RA word to CPU. The end of read operation. Thank you for watching. Hope you learn.